Good morning, everybody. I figured I'd start out. Well, it's early morning for me. It's not early morning for everybody else, but I figured I'd start out. There's a lot of women that are afraid to show themselves without their teeth. I thought I'm the first one that will, not first one, a lot of people do, but yeah, don't drink. Anyway, we've got lots of stuff we got to do today. Let's see. Oh, Patty Pat's getting a drink. Say hi, Patty Pat. Patty Pat puddings. Oh, and here's Tree-Doo-Doos. Right, Trees? Right? See, we got, oh, Teeny's Teeny's in charge. Right, Teeny's running the show. There's our Kita baby. Kita babies. But anyway, we've got plantings. As you can see, my gladiolas, I have learned I do not start them till later on in the year because they started falling over. We're going to try to get them out today. It's supposed to rain later on, so I'm not exactly sure what we're going to get done. These are what's left over from my tomato seed planting. I'm not sure if I can find you. I had a gnat infestation. Yeah, okay, here. You know what? Let me go outside here. I got to get my teeth in and stuff, but let me show you what we're doing anyway and get it going here. All right, so we have our baking racks all set up here. Here's our marigolds are down there. Let's see what we got here. This is our chamomile. That's not up yet. Stupid video cutout. Anyway, so we got some broccolis and some cauliflower or Brussels sprouts and broccoli up there. These, I think, are our orange. Oh, these are our echinacea ones. I got purple and orange echinacea that's ready to come up. This tray, I don't know. That one I don't think is going to turn out. That was all peat moss stuff. Peppers, beans, peppers. That's more beans. Why is that one out? Get that in there like that. There we go. All right, but anyway, we got some replanting to do. As you can see on that sticky right there, that was the infestation, and that's why, like, these onions are gone. We're gonna have to replant that. Our nasturtiums are going good. And then down here, as you can see again, this was my elderberry, and my pawpaws are down below down here. And over here, we got our strawberries are going. Those are starting. Get them out in the sun. They're getting some suns. And then the other thing we got to do today too is I found some squash downstairs that needs to be cut open, and we're going to get the seeds. So stay with us, and we'll be back in a little while once I get my teeth in and we get stuff done. Let's check out a couple other things here in the yard. Oh, look at our rose. This rose bush made it. We got growth on that. Oh, our horseradish is coming up. Oh, Teeny's in. Somebody must have banged something. All right. Oh, yeah, we already went over. This is all of our strawberries again. I think we already did this. Let's see here. Anything else coming up? I think that's a little bit of oregano right there. Yeah, I gotta stir up the compost. I'm not too happy with my transplanting. I think I do have some buds coming on there. I don't know. We'll see in a little bit, and then I gotta give these a little bit longer. Even though the, oh God, I can't remember. Hydrangea or hibiscus, I can't remember what that is coming up. We got some chamomile coming up, I think. Or yarrow, I can't remember what one. I can't see it either because the stupid beehive's reflected in my face. Let's see what else. Oh, wait a minute here. There's another raspberry. I don't know if my transplanting took or not. We're going to have to wait and see on that. Got buds on this one. I'm coming down that way. All right. Oh, yeah. All right, there's those. Okay. I don't know, we have to start something in there. Let's have to see what comes out. Alrighty. As you know, I got the beehive up there too. That was what was blinding me to where I couldn't see. There's our orchidea babies. Alright, now, down here, if you can see through the mesh, our rose is growing there. We got our daffodil looking all pretty. There's another patch of rhubarb that's going to be coming up. More daffodils. Black-eyed Susan is there. Let's see here. What else we got coming up? There is some buttercup right there. Natural buttercup from the fields that I cooked. There's more raspberries. Daffodils. Strawberry plants in there too. Let's see here. Coming around. My nose is running because of the allergies. Ooh, we still have ramps. And here is my tiger lilies throughout there, the green. We've got buds on these raspberries, the ones I didn't transplant. I'm glad I didn't transplant all of them. Yeah, I cut this back. I still can't remember the name of this damn thing. The thing with the yellow flower. Forsythia? No, I can't remember. And there's more tiger lilies. What else do we got going on over here, teenies? Is that more ramps? Or is that... No, that's more ramps over there. Yeah, wow, we got more ramps there too. Alright, and then I'm hoping this comes up. This was our spearmint last year. I'm hoping that comes back up. But anyway, that's what we got going on. That's what we got going on today. So we'll get things redone and yeah, we'll keep going. Oh, I forgot about my mushrooms that I'm starting. We got to harvest some of them too. Let's see if our tiger lilies out here are coming out. I see some down in there. I think I'm gonna have to get my deer stuff out here pretty soon, or they're not gonna be here anymore. Okay. I also blocked this off because this is where some daffodils from over that way came this way. So we're going to keep that there. I don't know if I got our other rose plant here. If we can zoom in on that. I don't know if I can zoom in where you can see, but that one's coming through too. Wild lettuce too. We got one there and we got one over there.